for a walk too if you want to outside.
Yeah, early this morning as the sun is coming up, really the best time. But even right now, it is hot.
Yeah.
We are talking temperatures already in the around 80 degrees, so we're not quite 85. And I will say, I think these numbers really translate more when we have direct sunlight versus the lower sun angle that comes along with sunrise and sunset times. But I want to point out our high temperatures are going to be closer to 95 degrees this entire week. So that means the concrete's going to feel like it's around 140, especially in the afternoon. And then the asphalt or blacktop pavement is going to be around 155. So that's really hot for your dog. So I did add some red paw prints to 2 and 4 p.m. So 2, 3, and 4 p.m. It's best just to, if your dogs have to go outside, let them stay on the grass and then come back inside pretty quickly. If you're going to go on a longer walk, right now, 8 o'clock with a temperature around 81 degrees. It is humid though, so you, the owner, will notice a lot of sweat likely developing. But then as we head into the 8 o'clock hour, we're still 85 degrees as the sun is setting, which is pretty toasty. High temperatures across the area: 94 in Corpus Christi today, 95 Robstown, 94 Mathis will be 95 through Alice, 95 Benavides, and 96 in Freer. The wind will be 12 to 22 miles per hour, gusting around 28. We may have some 30-mile-per-hour gusts, especially into the afternoon. A very low chance for a spotty shower as we head into the afternoon as well, mostly inland locations with the help of sea breeze. Taking a look at our high temperatures, it's only going up. So our heat index, our feels like temperature around 105 this afternoon. We'll be pushing 108 to 110 as we head into the weekend. So the weekend looks like it's trending pretty hot out there. And here's why. So we've got a lot going on in the atmosphere. There's still a chance for rain and even flooding in parts of the hill country today. That has to do with this trough that's in between two areas of high pressure. What we get happening are showers and storms that will just kind of train along this trough. And because high pressure doesn't move very quickly, it's a slow moving system. Low pressure systems move a lot faster, but this trough, while it is associated with lower pressure, it's not necessarily a low pressure system. So we just get storm after storm. As we head into Wednesday, a lot of that energy pushes a little bit more west and a little bit more north, should give the hill country a little bit of a break, but we start keeping an eye on what's happening in the Gulf. So this is a potential tropical system. Right now it has a low chance of developing. If it does develop, I think it will happen by Wednesday. If it doesn't happen Wednesday, the chance is lower a lot. You see the energy itself weakening. Depending on how this high pressure builds, it could steer some of that energy into East Texas, particularly around the Houston area. But as far as our rainfall goes for Futurecast, it's not looking great. A lot of the rain is going to set up again near Del Rio and up into the hill country across Texas today. Rainfall from the tropical system really targeting Florida right now, but yeah, as you can see, not the best sign for the hill country with another chance of rain today. You'll see that on Futurecast, just scattered storms, but those storms could still produce some isolated higher amounts of rainfall. High pressure continuing to help bring moisture into South Texas, but not a lot of hope for rain. As you see that potential tropical system, if it does make it our direction, it looks like Houston has a better chance of being impacted. Overall, very little rain anticipated for the coastal bend, and we're tracking more sunshine and more heat into the weekend. You'll see 96 degrees there on Friday. We'll likely stay in the upper 90s as we head into the weekend. John Thomas.